Is your Nissan Ariya key fob not working? It's likely just a dead battery. This video guides you through a simple DIY replacement for 2023-2024 Ariya models. Replacing the battery yourself saves time and money compared to a dealership visit. All you need is a CR2032 battery and a small tool. The Nissan Ariya key fob requires a specific type of battery for proper operation. It uses a standard CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, which is a common size used in many electronic devices. These batteries are widely available at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. They typically cost between $1 and $5 each, making replacement affordable. Always ensure you get the exact CR2032 size to avoid any compatibility issues with the key fob. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to open the key fob safely. A plastic prying tool, also known as a spudger, is recommended to prevent scratches on the fob casing. Have a soft cloth handy to wipe away any fingerprints and keep the fob clean. Locate the small seam on the back of the key fob. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into the seam and twist to pry the fob open. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the plastic housing. A spudger is ideal to avoid scratches. The fob should pop open relatively easily. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery inside the compartment. Note the battery's orientation. The positive side, marked with a plus or logo, usually faces up toward the circuit board. Carefully remove the old battery, avoiding damage to the contacts. Clean the compartment if needed. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the correct orientation, positive side up. The negative side has a textured surface. Ensure proper alignment. Misalignment can prevent the fob from functioning correctly. Use only standard CR2032 batteries, not rechargeable ones. Align the two halves of the key fob casing, ensuring the buttons and edges match up properly. Gently press the two halves together until you hear or feel them snap securely into place. Check that the casing is securely closed by gently tugging on the halves. There should be no gaps or looseness. Test the key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons from a short distance away. The vehicle should respond with lights flashing or horn beeping. If the vehicle doesn't respond, double-check the battery orientation. The positive side should face the circuit board. Also, ensure the battery is properly seated. If the fob still doesn't work after replacement, start by cleaning the battery contacts with a dry cloth to remove any corrosion. Make sure you're using a new, unexpired battery to avoid connection problems. Avoid rechargeable batteries, as their voltage fluctuations can cause erratic fob behavior. If issues persist, try cycling the vehicle's ignition by turning the car on and off to help the fob resynchronize. Smartphone apps are increasingly replacing physical key fobs as technology advances. The Nissan Ariya offers app-based key features on select trims, allowing remote access through your phone. By 2027, many key fobs may be app-only, completely eliminating the need for battery changes and physical keys. Keep an eye out for biometric features and sustainable materials in future key fob designs.